I'm Christy Wong, and today we're taking off in a Stearman.
So mags are good, heartbeat's good, oil pressure's good, RPM's good, oil temperature is good, flight controls,
Woo!
trim set, fuel is full.
I am setting the altimeter up here.
Okay, 1365. And Stearman traffic, Boeing 401 departing 17 on the hard surface Stearman. Ready?
Ready.
Ooh, look at that sunrise, or sunset.
Wow.
And Stearman traffic, Boeing 401 entering right downwind 17 Stearman. When you live in Kansas, you get really good at flying in wind. And Stearman traffic, Boeing 41 is crossing over midfield, departing to the east, Stearman. You good?
Oh yeah. This is amazing.
Just like a damn Harley riding down the highway.
Yeah, just in the sky.
Get a last glimpse of the sun. Alright, you wanna fly?
Sure.
Yeah, your controls.
Alright, I have the flight controls.
It's a very gentle airplane. Like, since the controls are weighted, it's just a big, light little airplane.
This is so cool.
You can do a turn, or do a left turn. Standing still, 841, the red Stearman's going to back taxi from the north end all the way down to the south end. Man, you're holding altitude and everything.
It's like I'm a pilot.
Hey, whoa. We're going fast now, or ground speed is.
I'm gonna turn to the right.
Okay, clear. Clear right. Here, do a tight turn and I'll turn on the smoke.
take us in, maybe do a low pass?
Oh, what?
Low pass, and then we'll come in and land?
Yeah, hold on. I want to show you something.
Okay.
So you know wake turbulence?
Yes.
The Stearman shows it really good in smoke.
All right, you have the flight controls?
Oh yeah, I have the flight controls.
All right, you have the controls.
Alright, so look to the back right of us when I do smoke. See behind us?
Yeah.
It's so cool to watch it.
That is awesome.
And another cool thing. Okay, so you know how on the when an airplane stalls, the top of the wing loses the friction. So look on the right wing, and you'll watch the fabric shake. We're just gonna do a light stall. See it starting to shake? It's starting to shake. And there's a stall. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Dude, that is so benign and so cool.
And Stearman traffic, Boeing 41's crossing over midfield, heading a right down 117 Stearman. This thing's really peaceful when the engine's at idle.
Yeah, she's just purring.
Yeah. And Stearman traffic, Boeing 41's heading right base, final 17 Stearman. So basically we're just gonna make this a big slip.
Okay.
Oh, that's not really a slip.
It's like a power off 180 almost.
Yeah, I forgot about the wind. There's so much drag on this thing, it doesn't move in the wind, so we'll just do a touch and go. Gosh, that went strong. It ain't let me slip. One more. Sorry, that was for the camera.
No, that's awesome.
So if I flash the smoke, what I just did, I flashed the smoke and pulled back really hard. So my wake turbulence slammed against the ground, and it's so cool when you watch smoke just hit the ground like that. Yeah. Stearman traffic, Boeing 41's in a right down 117 Stearman. So you can barely see it right now, but on the right side, there's a big flame coming out of the engine. That's exhaust.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Man, that went strong. We can just sit here. And Stearman traffic, Boeing 41 short, final 17 on the grass, full stop. This one
tire. There's another tire. Whoa.
Well, that was our episode of Taking Off. Thanks for flying along with us. We'll see you next time.